That's Starbucks.
Hi, thanks for stopping. How are you doing today?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good. How did I get started for you?
Can I do a venti pumpkin cream cold brew?
So unfortunately, we are actually out of our cold brew at the moment. If you want, I can make that same drink just with iced coffee or as an iced Americano.
Yeah, we can do the iced coffee.
Awesome.
And can I do sugar-free vanilla in that instead?
Absolutely.
And then, could I get 4 stevia in it too, please?
Sure.
I got here just in time. So I'm going to my mama's. So I got her a grande, the same thing I got that you just saw that I ordered. I always get sugar-free, and they were out of cold brew, so it's gonna be iced coffee, which will probably be just as good. And it was $9, so freaking expensive. But I want to surprise her because she got the pumpkin cold brew the other day and was like, "Oh my god, it's so good!" So that's that. I got my coffee. I'm so happy, you guys. So this is what I order in case you put a venti iced coffee. You can get grande, medium, with no classic. So I just say, can I substitute vanilla or substitute sugar-free vanilla with pumpkin cold foam and 4 stevia. And I won't lie, the cold brew, sorry, I'm going around a roundabout. The cold brew is actually not as good as just iced coffee. Like, iced coffee is like really good. Wow. Well, hey now, you going, girl. So this iced coffee, I like my coffee sweet, so this is like perfect. If you don't like your coffee sweet, don't get the stevia if you don't like it sweet. If you kind of like it sweet, get like 1 or 2. I normally get 2 and it's still not enough because I like my coffee really sweet. So, hey, we're off to see my mama. I'm so excited to give her coffee. She's gonna be so freaking excited. All right, I got my mom her coffee. Do you like your coffee, mother?
Oh, it's so good.
I have to show you her cute little house. Look at it. Well, my mom and my dad's. I always say my mom's, but it's definitely both of theirs. Right, Mom? Look at her cute little setup. You can't see with the sun. There's Daisy. Hi. And then this. Look at that. Where'd you come up with that?
I don't know. I see it
Facebook?
on Pinterest.
And then they just did this wall. So sick. Jason and I thought about doing it too. Cheers, Mama. Hi friends, I know it's super late. It's still the same day. It's 11:40 at night, and I'm actually just going to set you up here. I'm going to make some, or put some ice in my water. Right here. Wrong button. You can't see anything. But yeah, I just got home like, sorry, my camera storage is full. What's new? But yeah, I'm just making some ice water. So I'm super thirsty. We ate out today and stuff, and I can definitely like tell with like my salt intake. But I'm gonna put you in my cover right here actually, and I'm gonna show you. You're sitting with some of my Tupperware, so don't mind that, girl. Oh, I was just gonna shut the cover on you. I'm losing my marbles. I'm super tired. I ended up coming home. I was gonna spend the night, but then I decided, meh. I wanted to show you what I got from a few of these places that me and my mom went today. These are Indy's Bones. We went to the Rustic Depot, Rockstead & Co. I went to Rachel's Closet. So I got a pair of earrings, which I'll have to run there actually in the bathroom. I was just showing Jason them. He's taking a shower. But I got these really cute bracelets. Oh, where's my phone? I was gonna turn my flash on, but I got these really, really cute bracelets. This is what they look like. They're super cute. I got them. Hi, baby. I got them for engagement pictures. See? And that tweet is just for mommy. These really cute Christmas trees from the Rustic Depot. That bracelet was from. Jeez, hello. What the heck is going on, David? I got that really cute bracelet from Little Minnesota Boutique or something like that. And then these are from the Rustic Depot. Oh my god, I had to have them. This is them. They're so freaking cute, and you can fluff them, she said. Rockstead. I got this cute little pumpkin. It's orange and green. It's so cute. Box that I got these from. And then Rachel's closet. My mom actually was so sweet and bought me this. How cute! Oh my god. It is so soft. I don't know where the heck she buys her clothes from, but literally it is so nice. Oh my god, I love it. And then I got these earrings. They're so cute. They're just like gold. Oh no, I like them. That's all I got. I didn't really make the best food decisions. We did have Mexican and I had a lunch combo, so it was like half of the normal, but it was still like deep fried and I had rice and cheese dip, so I had a good day. That's all that matters, right? Good morning, guys. It's Friday. I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm actually just gonna feed my animals, but this is my hair now. I'm making some coffee. I am tired today, so coffee's much needed. I'll see you guys probably after when my hair's all done. But yeah, this is just a little vlog. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I'm gonna have a bagel thin and some cream cheese to feed my babies. Science diet. Here's my bagels in all their glory. Super good. They're really thin, obviously. They're the bagel thins. And then I just used their less fat garden vegetable. It's super good. I'm gonna eat this before my hair appointment. So dang good. I love bagels and this just hits the spot. Alright guys, this is what I look like. I'm just wearing like a green, sage green shirt with a jean jacket. This one's really cute and like distressed. I got this a long time ago from like Rue 21 leggings and Converse. And this is what my hair looks like before. I don't know if you can tell, my roots are really bad. But we're gonna go and I'll see you when my hair's done. We're at Kirkland's, me and Mama Sita. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
I actually got my hair done. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell in this light.
So pretty.
But it's like, oh, there you go. It's like red. Ooh, and it's so soft. You like it, Ma?
I love it.
Hers likes it. But yeah, she actually blow dried it and like dried it in the middle. And it looks good, but we went and ate. We went to Bath and Body, which we got damage in the back seat. But where are we at right now?
Kirkland's. We're gonna go get some home decor.
Home decor.
Decor.
She calls it decor. Same thing. But this store's very dangerous for us.
Yeah, very.
Because if we had endless amount of money, we would just buy it all. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go in. Bye guys. I hope that you like my hair. And a lot of you were asking to see kind of the process of like the wedding planning stuff. So I wanted to actually share with you how I'm asking my bridesmaids. And then quickly, this is how we're asking our groomsmen. We just gave them all a pair of glasses that say it on there and asked them. So today's actually my dad's birthday. So I'm just getting this all packed up for my cousin Abby since she'll be there probably and ask her today. So I got these cute little boxes off of Amazon. I will try to link them down below for you guys. They're super cute. Really like them. They're super affordable, like 13 bucks for 10 or more of them. I don't really remember, but quite a bit. And then I would suggest going to Hobby Lobby. I got these really cute colored shreds at Hobby Lobby, and I got these brown ones at Walmart. But if I like had to redo it, I would just go to Hobby Lobby. So just set you up here and show you how I made this. So I just put, she's the last box I'm making or have to make, so all this stuff is just kind of gonna get thrown out, so I'm just gonna use what I can and make it all pretty and fluffy. This is super fun. Like making these boxes was like one of the highlights. Like it's so fun. And then I'm gonna give her champagne. So what I did was I got these little hair ties. I should probably tell you what's in the box. They say to have and to hold your hair back. These are also off Amazon. I will link these below as well. Super cute, super affordable. We got them these bath bombs They smell so good, you guys. These are off Amazon. I will try to find these, or I'll try to get the link from my mom. Just put that there. These are also off of Amazon. They say I can't tie the knot without you, and then you put the bracelet around it. I stretched the bracelet a little bit, and there's a cute little knot. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. And it's actually supposed to have a clip in here, and I cannot find the clip anywhere. So if I do end up finding it, I will for sure give it back or give it to her. And then because I didn't have any more gold paper, I'm gonna put some of this in there, and then I'm gonna put the pink paper in there, make it kind of fun. Have fun with it, you guys. It's not too serious. This has to be like a sprinkle of you in their box. Let them know that you're thinking of them, you love them. I actually, like I said, had a clip that was supposed to go in their box. However, I just cannot find it anywhere. It's supposed to be like this cute little clip. This is what I had it looking like for my friend Danielle. I took a picture. See the clip? The clip is missing. But other than that, this is what it looks like. I love it, and I didn't have any more gold paper, so we threw some gold in there for her. I think it's so cute and personable, and she loves bath bombs. So Jason's sisters actually are farm girls. They're like on the farm, and I actually gave them the same box, and who knows if they'll use it, don't care. This is just who I am, and this is what I ended up doing. So there, I got her box all completed. And then this is the tricky part of this box, because it comes with this rope, and Jason actually helped me maneuver it. So you just got to get some tape. Oops. Oh, and I also want to mention, which I can't really show, but you have to tape the bottom of the box because you don't want it to like fall out on them. And I read reviews and they said that like the stuff will fall out, so just tape the bottom super well. So make sure it's even. Okay. And put it on the bottom corner, and then you're gonna wrap it around. You're gonna wrap it around the other side and bring it back up. Okay. And same with this side. How the frick did we do this? Sorry guys, Jason had to help me. He's actually in the shower. So, because I want the bow right here. Yeah. Okay, so just like how I said. So I'm gonna explain it to you because it was too hard to explain while I did it. So, and then I'm just gonna tape it quick. So it doesn't come undone. Okay, boom. And then I'm gonna trim the bow. Okay, so if you kind of watched what I did, hopefully you could see, but you just put, I cannot do this one-handed, you guys. So you just put the string on this corner, okay, and then you wrap it around and you go under this corner and up and you tie it. So the bottom looks like that. See that? How it goes under? On that corner. I was gonna put it in the inside and I actually completely forgot, and I do not want to retie that, so yeah, there. I know that bow kind of looks goofy. Maybe I shouldn't have that. Hold on. I don't really like that. I don't know. Just kind of ugly, isn't it? Whatever, we're just gonna leave it because it's cute. Okay. So there's my little bridesmaid boxes. I hope that this helps you guys, gives you some inspiration. The glasses are super fun too for the men, because the men, they don't really care, you guys. It's more like a woman thing. You could get them a little card even and mail it. Like I know my sister-in-law, for their wedding, she actually, her fiance or her husband now, typed up like a little letter that said something funny on it, more personable, like check yes and mail back, or just give me a call. And so like that's a cool idea for men, because like I said, usually men don't care. Hair and stuff, and we're gonna go see my daddy-o and eat some Olive Garden, which is not on the diet. My candle. I hate the smell of like when you blow out a birthday candle or you blow out candles. Whew, I hate that smell. My dad does too, and that's probably why I hate it. But so I'm gonna sign his nice little card here, and I just wanted to throw this video out. I hope that it's super helpful. Wedding planning is a pain in the booty, so if you have any questions, link it down below or comment down below and I will get back to you. Our wedding venue pretty much is like has everything. Like it has our DJ, our caterer, our dessert. We don't have a ton that we have to do, and I think that that's a huge reason why we picked our venue, because honestly it's so stressful. We just had our engagement pictures actually not yesterday but the day before, and they were super fun. I didn't change my jeans like I wanted to, but that's okay. So I had holy jeans on both both outfits. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this video helped. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content of wedding stuff, and I will throw some more out for you guys. See you later. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I have more daily updates usually over there. But YouTube, I love YouTube. Like I love watching videos because you can kind of like get to know somebody a little bit better. I don't know how to explain that, but okay, we gotta go. Bye guys.